9 A-frame houses built for outdoor enthusiasts. One of the top characteristics of these homes is their capital A shape. But there are several more features make these quirky houses simply irresistible to many. One of our favorites. Large windows that nearly run floor to ceiling, as shown in this example, spotted on Glamping Hub. DIYers love A-frame cabins because they are simple to build. This one by Relax Shacks costs less than $1,200. The structure's high ceilings, a hallmark of the housing style, help this small space feel open and airy. While the typical A-frame appears tall and narrow from the outside, some types like this one featured on Glamping Hub are broader and a little lower to the ground. This home forfeits extra living space in the form of a loft for high ceilings. Note how it sits on top of a wood deck. Many A-frame's homes like this one are built on stilts instead of having foundations embedded in the ground. It is a great way to keep rodents and vermin out while providing a little ventilation. Building a home off the ground also helps to minimize the structure's footprint, which can help lower heating and cooling costs. Most A-frames are small dwellings constructed from wood. The combination makes them reasonably lightweight so they can be constructed in places where much larger brick and mortar homes will not work. Case in point, the Treehouse A-frame at Shasta Lake. The 740-square-foot house built in 1967 hovers among the trees, thanks to a spacious wood deck placed on a tall platform. Here is an interior peek at the Treehouse A-frame at Shasta Lake. Many of these abodes have wood walls and ceilings that seal the deal on their rustic, cabin vibes. The second-floor loft space in most A-frames is reserved for the master bedroom, which overlooks the main living area, as shown. It is essential to mention that the upper level of a typical A-frame house has considerably less square footage than the floor below. That is because of the home's steeply pitched roof. The main living area in the Treehouse A-frame at Shasta Lake is considerable roomy. Carefully thought-out furniture placements optimizes the sloped ceilings, a standard feature in homes like these. Ceiling height for the lower level can vary in A-frame houses. Here it is roughly a little more than 8 feet. Because of the home's small footprint, a cozy wood-burning stove, a common staple in rustic abodes, reduces the need for other and more expensive types of heating. This gorgeous A-frame called the Boulder Garden was built in 1968 and later renovated in 2019. As its name implies, it is flanked by boulders. It also sits on top of a natural stone foundation. The charming 900-square-foot house features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it ideal for 2 adults or a small family of 4. We already mentioned that A-frame homes are known for their large front-facing windows. The front of this structure is nothing but glass, providing occupants with endless and ever-changing views of the stunning landscape. Inside the Boulder Garden A-frame is a lovely rustic interior carved out by the steeply angled roofline. The home's original wood beams were stained a deep rich espresso brown for a splash of beautiful contrast. A spiral staircase, which is also another original feature, adds function while making the most of the home's compact square footage. Topping things off is the natural stone fireplace that enhances the abode's vintage character. We spotted this pint-size A-frame cabin on Glamping Hub. The adorable little space is a desert retreat built for relaxing. The exterior glass wall opens up to the great outdoors, marrying both the indoor and outdoor spaces. The rustic wood interior has just enough space for a queen-sized bed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.